Yo, what's good, YouTube? Hey man, I was in the gym and I was just working out. You already know how I do. Filming some content. I happen to have my camera here, and it's funny because every single time I'm at the gym, I always think about like all these ideas and all this life. I feel good. You know what I'm saying? It's like a good mood. So why not think positively in that mindset, right? And I was thinking to myself, man, what is fucking success like? You know, when it comes to everything you do in life, when it comes to your money, when it comes to girls, when it comes to you traveling, having a good life, living a good life, having the things you want. And I realized, man, it's so important to focus on exactly what you can control. Every single aspect of your life, there's something that you can control. For example, in your dating life, as guys, we can control when we get a girlfriend because we are the type, we are the ones that give out that title to the girl. Like, you're my girlfriend. That's something that we can control in our dating life. And it's so crazy when I think about like people who actually aren't succeeding in that. Bro, you literally have the control over that. How can you not be able to succeed? And it makes sense because if you're not willing to put in the work to get the result that you want, you're not gonna get the result that you want. Point blank, period. End of conversation. Don't even call me about it. Don't even text me about it. I don't wanna hear it. I don't wanna hear it. If you are not willing to do what it takes to get what you want, then you will never get it. Okay, and then you're like, all right, well, what does that mean? That means that you have so much more control over your life, over just like a good portion of how you live life that you don't even put into understanding because you wanna put away the control, you wanna blame somebody else for your lack of success. But that doesn't really make any sense because it's a cold world, yeah. It's survival of the fittest. So you have to be able to put yourself in that position of control. And if you don't, you're gonna fail. And so that's just what it is. Like, I don't know what else to say right now. That's literally all I was thinking, and I just wanted to relay that message to you. Don't give away your control. There's so many things in life that you can control. You can be so happy for 80% of your life right now. I can't even say you can be 100% happy because there's always that part that you can't control, right? But you can control a good portion of it. So, yeah, man, I just wanted to let you guys know about that, man. Don't put your control to somebody else. Don't let anybody else have control over your life, over who you are, over what you become, because you have control over that. And take this message and run with it, man. I hope for your continued success as I continue to go upon my journey and continue to success and continue to succeed on my goals. I wish that upon you. And if you like this video, man, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one, man. Peace.